How to download artifacts from Claude AI, 2026 step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have been using Claude AI and you want to know how to download the artifacts it creates, whether that is code, documents, HTML files, or other content, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step in 2026. Let's get into it. What are Claude artifacts? Real quick, what exactly is an artifact in Claude? When Claude generates certain types of content like code files, HTML pages, React components, Markdown documents, SVG graphics, or other structured outputs, it displays them in a dedicated artifact panel on the right side of the screen. This is separate from the regular chat response and is specifically designed for content you might want to save and use outside of Claude. Step 1. Generate your artifact. First, you need to get Claude to create an artifact. Ask Claude to build or write something that produces an artifact output. For example, ask it to write a Python script, create an HTML page, build a React component, write a Markdown document, or generate an SVG graphic. Claude will automatically display qualifying content in the artifact panel on the right side of your screen. Step 2. Locate the download option. Once your artifact appears in the panel on the right side of the screen, look at the top corner of the artifact window. You will see a small toolbar with a few icon options. Look for the download icon, which typically looks like an arrow pointing downward toward a line. This is your download button for saving the artifact directly to your device. Step 3. Click download. Click the download icon, and your browser will immediately save the artifact file to your default downloads folder. The file will be saved in the appropriate format automatically. So a Python script saves as a .py file, an HTML page saves as a .html file, a Markdown document saves as a .md file, and so on. No manual file conversion needed. Step 4. Copy the content manually. If you do not see a download button or prefer to copy the content instead, there is another easy option. Inside the artifact panel, look for a copy icon which looks like two overlapping squares. Click it and the entire artifact content gets copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it directly into any code editor, text editor, or document on your computer and save it manually in whatever format you need. Step 5. Open in full screen. First, if your artifact is complex and you want to review it before downloading, click the expand or full screen icon in the artifact toolbar to view it in a larger window. This is especially useful for HTML pages and React components, where you can see a live preview of how the output actually looks and behaves before saving it to your device. Tips for best results. A couple of quick tips. If you want Claude to generate a specific file type, be explicit in your request. For example, say create a Python file or write this as an HTML document. The more specific you are, the more likely Claude is to format the output as a proper downloadable artifact. Also, if you make changes to the artifact through follow-up messages, always download the latest version after your final edit to make sure you have the most updated file. And that is how you download artifacts from Claude AI in 2026. Generate your artifact, click the download icon in the artifact panel, or use the copy button to grab the content manually. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for getting Claude's output into your actual workflow. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.